boys?
You know, you scare me when you talk like that.
Prepare yourself for an unmerciless beating!
Ha-ha! And you kiss your mother with that mouth?
Hope has had enough of your flap doodle, Elder One! Somebody do something! Prepare yourself for a merciless thrashing!